Back to the ball game. Score 23-15. Habay to Maida. Maida to Senyeres. Senyeres libre. Bang! 3 points by number 10, Senyeres. Score 18-23. Nakano pass to Iying. Iying for 2, no good. Rebound by Tumon. Blocked by Maida. Rebound by Tumon again. Intercepted by Salanga. Pass to Maida. Maida to Senyeres. Senyeres side step pass to Maida. Yes, 2 points. Ungkas to Nakano. Nakano out of bounds. Last touch one. 17 seconds to shoot. Nakano. Pass to Tubon. Tubon. Drive pass to Iying. Iying pass to Sauro for 3. So good. Rebound by Maida. Naghahanap ng pasahan. Maida pass to Salanga. Pass to Senyeres. 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 Derecho. Yes. 2 points. Isa na lang ang lamang. 22-23. Tumon. Tumon giving the ball. Tumon drive. Foul. Foul number 1. Maida. Maida for second personal foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Tumon in the 15-foot lane. First throw. Basket. Substitution. Nakano in. Sauro out. Last throw by number 24. Tumon. Labas isa. Labas isa. Last throw. No good. Rebound by Nakano. Pass to Ungkas. Ungkas to Tumon. Fake. No good. Rebound by Senyeres. Out of bounds. Same ball. Nakano inbounding pass to Nakano. Nakano pass to Nakano. Nakano drive, no good. Pass to Hamo. 10 to shoot. Hamo to Ungkas. No good. Rebound by Ungkas. Out of bounds. White ball. Salanga inbounding pass to Maida. Maida giving the ball. Maida pass to Habay, no good. Rebound by Tumon. Tumon nagmamadali. Tumon dumiretso, pass to Nakano. Yes. 2 points by Nakano. Maida, good. 2 points. Tumon nagmamadali, side step. No good. Rebound by Salanga, pass to Senyeres. Senyeres giving the ball.
Score 28 against
Senyeres
26.
pass to Habay. Habay, yes, 2 points.
High score, 28.
Score,
Deadlock,
28 all. Second deadlock of the game. Nakano.
Last 10 minutes.
Nakano pass to Nakano. Pass to Hamo. Hamo intercepted by Senyeres. Pass to Maida. Maida, no good. Rebound, Ungkas. Oy! Out of bounds. White ball. Time out called by Conqueror. Señores, up, out of bounds. Green ball. In, habay out. Lorica. Lorica pass to Señeres. Back to Lorica. Pass to Kawing fake. Pass to Lorica. Lorica for 2. Up. Foul number 24. Tumon. Shooting foul. Second personal foul. First team foul. Lorica first throw, no good. Last throw by number 22, Lorica. No good again. Rebound by Señeres. Pass to Lorica. Pass to Salanga. Yes! Lamang na ang Good Shepherd. 30-28. Hamo. Giving the ball. Pass to Ungkas. Back to Hamo. Intercepted by Kawing. Pass to Salanga. Libre. No good. Up. Green. Out of bounds. White. Green ball. Nakano. Pass to Hamo. Back to Nakano. Pass to Ungkas. No good. Rebound by Señeres giving the ball. Pass to Kansing. Out of bounds. Green ball. Time remaining 8 minutes and 33 seconds. Hamo pass to Tomo. No good. Rebound by Kawing giving the ball. Pass to Lorica. Pass to Señeres for 3. No good. Rebound by Tomon. Dumiretso pass to Nakano giving the ball. Intercepted by Kansing. Oh, stepping on the line. Out of bounds. Nakano. Pass to Nakano. Pass to Tomon. Foul number 11. Kawing third personal foul. Nakano pass to Ungkas. Intercepted by Kansing. Who's foul rep? Foul number 9. Ungkas. First personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Sub. Maida in. Kansing out. Maida. Giving the ball, pass to Kawing. Pass to Maida. Maida to Salanga. Uy. Sab.
Okay, sibing.
Maya.